In this video, we will discuss reset functionality. I don't have a button of reset here, but whenever I will win or lose a game, I will come back to initial state, or if the match is a draw. Here I have lost and it has come back to its initial stage. Let's see how we did this. We have made a function of reset for this. I will go to reset function. In reset function, I have updated current monster health and current player health, and we have given choose max life. Choose max life is 100, so I have given initial value here and have called reset game. If I check above, current player health and current monster health was choose max life and was 100. We have added this function, and from vendor.js we have called reset game. What is reset game doing? It is taking choose max life, which is 100, and the value which is coming in HTML bar. It is updating that and taking it to 100. Now, first 100 has given to health bar, then player health bar, after that monster health bar. With this, the reduced performance will be filled. Full value of 100 comes and it fills the progress bar. In app.js, we have to call reset. What are the conditions we are calling at? I can call reset here, but also it will be a repetition. In these three conditions, the thing which is same is that if current monster or current player health is less than 0, from this any one condition is true, then it will call reset. If we talk about first condition in this, current monster health is less than 0. If it is less or equal means I won the game, then reset will be called. If I commit else if here, if current player health is less than 0, then I have lost the game and it has been reset again. In else if, both have less than 0 value. If any one condition is true, then it will call reset. I can call reset again and again, but the better way is that in if condition I have called reset. If I go to game and click strong attack, I have won and it has been reset again. If I attack simple, then the match is draw and it has been reset.